It's like, imagine trying to build a production agent by manually integrating tools from each of this, right? So you can see that selection, or let's say trying to evaluate each and every tool, becomes so tedious, right? So that's where you can say that, okay, FloTorch is going to help you. You can kind of combine all of these things, use the FloTorch application to select whichever the tool you want to, whichever the LLM that you want to. And as I said, it's kind of a gateway that is inbuilt. And also you have this traceability, you have this observability that you can simply go ahead and start using, right? So a good agentic AI, let's say like ADK, which powers our Google ADK, right? So which powers that we will see in our FloTorch demonstration, integrates all these layers at stack, right? So which we are seeing here. So that's how you can go ahead and combine, or let's say use each and every component wherever it is required, right? So it's like getting a fully furnished house. You can simply think of, instead of buying land and buying each and everything from scratch, right? So that's how FloTorch is going to help you in building these kinds of ecosystems.